Indonesia has conducted its general election on February 14th, and currently the vote counting and the recapitulation process is being conducted. Various parties are in charge to monitor and evaluate to ensure that the process is in accordance to the law, starting from the General Election Commission, the Election Supervisory Board, as well as the security personnel, which also includes the People's Representatives Council as the voice of the Indonesian citizen, which has an inquiry rights for the general election. So what exactly is an inquiry rights of the People's Representatives Council?
The House of Representatives possesses the inquiry right to the implementation of its supervisory role. Through this right, the House can investigate the implementation of legal and government policies related to important and strategic matters. Some of the inquiry rights that have been filed by the House are the use of foreign exchange during President Sukarno's administration, inquiry right on Pertamina during President Suharto's administration, inquiry right on the State Logistic Agency or Bulog during President Abdurrahman Wahid's administration, inquiry right on Bulog non-budgetary fund during President Megawati's administration, and inquiry right on Century Bank during President Susilo's administration.
Based on the law, in order for the inquiry rights to be proposed, there are several conditions that must be met. First, it must be proposed by at least 25 people from more than one faction. Second, it must be accompanied by several documents including policy materials and the reason to investigate. And third, it must be approved in a plenary session which is attended by more than half of the council members and approved by more than half of the people that are present in the session. Although it must be noted that the inquiry rights has not been proposed for the 2024 general election. Yet if necessary, it is possible for the People's Representatives Council to propose the inquiry rights with the aim of ensuring that the 2024 general election is being held fairly and accountable. Maudie Kalisha and Nico Arianto for See Today.